Hey car enthusiasts, today we're diving under the hood of this stunning 1967 Chevrolet C10, a timeless classic that's been dressed to impress with a glistening chrome engine. Feast your eyes on this beauty. Every inch of this engine has been meticulously detailed, from the polished valve covers to the gleaming air cleaner. This is more than just a truck. It's a statement on wheels. The 67 C10 is a hallmark of American automotive history, known for its rugged reliability and classic styling. But with this chrome dress engine, it's not just a workhorse, it's a showstopper. Whether you're at a car show or cruising down the highway, this C10 turns heads. The powerful V8 under this hood doesn't just look amazing, it roars to life with a sound that's music to any car lover's ears. They're a testament to the passion and the dedication of classic car enthusiasts. So if you're looking to add some sparkle to your ride, a chrome dress-up kit is the way to go. And with a classic like this 1967 C10, you get the best of both worlds: timeless design and dazzling details. Thanks for joining us on this journey into classic car excellence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks in some of the finest vehicles around. Until next time, keep those engines purring.